Welcome to Google Developers Weekly for November 18th, 2013. I'm Louis Gray, and this is our highlight reel of what's happening in the world of Google developers on the set and off. I often say that Google is the biggest startup I've ever worked for, but if your startup is smaller than ours, you might be considering working with an accelerator like 500 Startups or Rocket Space, trading equity for benefits like Office Space and Business Strategy. Is it worth it? Don Dodge shares his experience with us and provides advice. Also, many startups these days selling premium services find themselves caught between free open source software and large software packages from bigger competitors, offering support and consulting. How can you survive? Jay Simons, president of Atlassian, joins Don to talk about how they navigate this challenge. From New York, YouTube's Ikai Lan shows us how to manually create Google credential instances with refresh tokens as well as access tokens. If you've been looking for tips and tricks on how to use OAuth with the Java API, this is the show for you. Native applications that run in Chrome are a big part of the web as a platform. Portable Native Client, or as we call it, Pinnacle, enables secure and portable execution of these native apps. When you produce a platform-independent form of your native app, Chrome translates it to run on users' portable devices at greater than 80% of native performance. Very cool stuff. Check out the video with moderator Colt McCandless and some of Google's product leads on Native Client to learn more. Francesc Campoy and Kurt Schwer teamed up to show us how they leverage Google's Cloud and Go language to visualize big data, building an app that maps shipping using the Google Maps API. We brought you clouds to Google Earth, and now you can see what Maps can do with Cloud. Staying in a Google Maps state of mind, GDL hosted Ujjwal Gandhi, author of the new Google Maps engine QGIS connector, about how this plugin fits into a typical workflow and where you can get the source code. We also welcome back Pong Ying and Maru, as they dive into Wallet Objects concepts, showing us how wallet objects are represented and rendered in the Google Wallet app. I tend to know what few objects are in my physical wallet, and now I'll know what objects are in my Google Wallet too. Cloud Platform maven Paul Rashidi then joins us for a quick walkthrough of the Google Compute Engine API on Android, demoing a sample app that connects to the Google Compute Engine API. And all week, we've been happy to host 4 new courses from the Google Developers Hackademy. This week focused on the Android SDK, presented by Enrique Diaz from the GDG Android Titlan. Todas las clases son en español. Stepping outside the studio, we have more updates from the world of Google developers. On Thursday, we celebrated an important milestone as Dart turned 1.0. Dart is a modern language for building structured web apps, and now it's officially ready for your production apps. Find out all the cool details at dartlang.org and get started. You already know that you can use the Google Drive SDK to build apps that are highly integrated with Drive, and now there's a powerful new way to integrate with Gmail. Use the new SDK features to make Drive-enabled apps that let users open docs in your app without ever leaving Gmail. And to make sure that you never miss a thing from the world of Google developers, subscribe to Google Developers on YouTube and check out the GDL schedule at developers.google.com/live. I'm Louis Gray, and I'll see you in the studio.